How to set Ghostty as default terminal 2025. Follow these instructions. First, launch Ghostty once to make sure it is fully installed and runs correctly so your system can detect it as a valid terminal app. Open any terminal you currently use and type the command which Ghostty so you can copy the full path where Ghostty is installed. Now go to your system settings, scroll to the Default Applications or Preferred Apps section to manage which app your system uses. Look for the terminal option inside that menu and click on it so you can choose or paste a new app to set as your default terminal program. If Ghostty is listed there, click it. If not, paste the full path you copied earlier so your system knows where to find Ghostty. Click Save or close the window, and your setting will be saved. Your system will now treat Ghostty as your main terminal app by default. Thank you for watching.